Hola Marias! Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, i-unbox ko na po yung mga natitira pang items from my Weavers box. So basically, isa lang talaga yung laman nun na merch from my membership package or the membership with the Weavers for BTS. However, ang dami ko po kasing mga binili na items na sinabay na rin dun sa box. Kaya hindi ko pa rin nare-reach yung mismong merch box number 6 kasi nga inuuna natin yung ibang items. Pero if you're interested to know what is on today's video, then please keep on watching. Maria, 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 Maria. Alright guys, so bago ang lahat, may additional package na dumating. Isasabay ko na lang dito kasi magazine din naman siya or photo book. So, kung naririnig niyo yung mga pusang sa likod, hindi ko na talaga sila mapigilan mag-ingay. Pasensya na kayo. So, yung bubuksan natin ngayon is the Daikon photo card and yung mga magazine. Ihuhuli na natin to. Ito yung magiging part 6 natin. This is merch 6 part 6. So, ang bubuksan lang natin ngayon is yung mga magazine. Ito, ang dami nila. Ang dami nila. May alkabok. Ang dami nila. Ang bigat-bigat nila. Yung the Icon photo book. And I'm not sure kung ano to. Nalimutan ko na. But I'll open it for you guys. So, again, yung membership ko, first membership merchandise or tawag dito, yung freebie kapag bumili ka no kanilang membership sa Weavers. So, definitely bigger advantage. Although, mas mahal siya. So, it comes with four free packages. So, merch 1 hanggang merch, currently may merch 9 na, pero it's an alarm clock. So, I don't feel like I will get that. Kung may matitira pang iba, siguro, tsaka na lang ako bibili. Kasi na-miss ko yung merch 5. Gusto ko talaga yun. So, yes, naglalaro yung aking pusa. So, this is from Serendipity. I forgot what this is. Ayan, thank you so much. Ganda ng packaging nila. Ayan, I have freebie postcards. Ayan, ang ganda. Dami ko nang naiipon ng mga freebies from Serendipity. 7BPT. Ayan, hi, Mafe. And I got J-Hope. You know what? I am a Jimin stan, Jimin bias, but as time goes by, I'm starting to stan J-Hope so much. Now, ang dami pa niya pa purple heart. Purple heart. I think this is the GQ. No, is it GQ? Oh, Time magazine. This is the Time magazine. Is it? Oo. Ang cute. Ang dami ko. Purple hearts. So, let's open. Ang tigas. Pero ang nipis niya lang. So, tingnan natin. Ito, hindi ito galing dun sa box mismo, pero isa lang yung pinagbilhan ko. So, sinama ko na rin sa unboxing kasi iisa lang naman yung aking suki sa Korean address for rent. So, kapag Korean address kasi yung ginamit mo, halos wala pang 100 pesos yung shipping. Tapos, babayaran mo na lang si 7DPT for their address. Ayan. 100 most influential companies. Kaya kasama si PDNM. Nilagyan lang pala ng karton para hindi siya mayupi. Good thinking. Sobrang nipis pala nito. Oo, Diyos ko, sobrang nipis at saka sobrang lambot. Kaya pala, para siyang song hits. Ganon ang wrapping niya. So, buksan natin. This one I purchased it because, first of all, kasama si PDNM. Pero, English. I mean, also English siya. So, mababasa ko talaga siya. Ayan. Sobrang lambot nito. Ang dali nitong maguluhan. So, there are other things inside this. This is a typical Time magazine. But the cover is BTS. Yan. So, balik natin. Baka madamage. Nakakaloka. Ayan. Thank you so much for making sure na it's well protected. At super bubble wrap. They really know how to take care of our merch. Pinag-ipunan, pinagkagastusan factor. Okay, that is the Time magazine. And of course, my freebies. Next is all the other magazines that I got. Which I'm very much excited kasi syempre alam ko may English to eh. Kasi GQ. Tirain na nga natin. Naku, si Jimmy natin nagkaka. Oh my God. Oh my God, si Jimmy agad. Ang taray. Tapos si ano. Oh. Tiffany & Co. pala yung ano niya. Sino to? Yung sa chess sa Netflix. Special edition. So, when I moved to Manila, when I move back to BGC area, I will have all these as my coffee table magazines. God. I was so happy. Tuloy yung laway ko. Nakita ko lang si Jimmy. Tumutuloy na naman yung laway ko. Ang kapal and fairness. My love. Followed by, he's not my bias wrecker, but he's slowly becoming all the items under Jungkook's issue is getting very rare. So I would love to have a copy of his very rare alter ego looking emo, not so bunso looking photo. So this is exactly the same, just a different cover. Okay. So, ayan. They're exactly the same. Now, this is the group one. Again, just another copy of another version of that. Still the exact same magazine, but this is the group. Yes. Oh, ang ganda. This is the beginning of the new era. This was kasi another era na naman ngayon. Proof. This was the beginning of the new era when they overcome the challenge of the pandemic. So super love. I stand all of them. Next is, of course, Vogue. This is one of the most iconic group photo nila. Diba? Kasi talagang they rarely do photo shoots na super Western. And I think this is very Western. Western / European. I don't know, correct me if I'm mistaken, but this is not very K-pop at all. So, ayan, Vogue magazine. Then next, I am the Icon magazine. Not magazine. The Icon photo card 101 custom book. So, I rarely collect photo cards, but this time, I will have 101 photo cards. And the other more freebie from the merch itself. So, it comes with this very compact box. Purple, of course. And I love the fact that you just started collecting the photos and it already comes with the book. The photo books. So, paano to buksan? Ayan. Oh, there's other things inside pala. Yes. This is the, lanyard or keychain, whichever. You can do it as a lanyard or keychain. You put whatever pick of the day you prefer. Pero kung also wag na kasi baka manenok pa to. And then this one is, I don't know what this is. Ayan. Oh, these are the photo cards. So, ito pala, wala pang laman. Yes, I have the group photo. Ayan. Oh my god, they're so precious. So, my hands are not clear. So, this is 101 photo cards from the icon. There's 2 of them. Diba? So, you put it by yourself. I hope may extra dito kasi meron pa ako ibang photo cards na ilalagay. So, this is how it looks like. So, ito ilalagyan lang pala. So, you have to arrange it by yourself. So, I hope may sobra. May extra siya for my other photo cards. Okay. So, that's it. That is part 5. It is more on the magazines and the photo book ng Daikon, the behind the BTS 2018, and that's it, guys. So thanks so much for watching. I'll see you on the next episode, which is I will be unboxing the actual merch itself. So thanks so much for watching. Bye.